The door is a metal plate that is attached to the nose piece over the driver. It supports the driver as it exits the cylinder. Over time, the door can wear from the driver rubbing against it. It can be bent if the nail gun is dropped. Replacing the door is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by opening the nose piece latch on the front of the nail gun. Now remove the 2 screws that secure the door. Now I can install the new door. I'll align it with the housing and secure it with the screws. And I'll finish by resecuring the latch. And that's how easy it is to replace the door on your nail gun. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.